Now I am going to explain about the current transformer. The large alternating current which cannot be sensed or passed through a normal ammeter and current coil of wattmeters, energy meters can easily be measured by use of current transformers along with normal low voltage range instruments or low range instruments. A transformer is a device which consists of two windings called primary and secondary. It transfers energy from the side of another with suitable change in level of current or voltage. A current transformer basically has a primary coil of one or more turns of heavy cross-section area. In some, the bar carrying high current it may act as primary. This is connected in series with the line carrying high current. The bar type primary you can see in the figure displaying. The secondary of the transformer is made up of a large number of turns of the fine wire that is having small cross section area. This is usually rated for 5 ampere current. This is connected to the coil of normal low range meters. These transformers are basically step up transformers, that is stepping up a voltage from primary to secondary. Hence, obviously, currents considerably gets stepped down from primary to secondary. For example, current transformer is of 500 is to 5 range. That is, if primary current is 500 ampere, it will reduce to 5 ampere on secondary side. But in step up the primary voltage 100 times. You are seeing all this principle in this display. If you see the ratio between the input current I1 to I2, that will be equal to N2 by N1. I1 by I2 is equal to N2 by N1. This is the current and number of turns relationship for the current transformer. Hence, if current ratio of current transformer is known as the meter reading is known, the actual high current value can be determined. It is very important that the secondary of the current transformer should not be kept open. Either it should be shorted or must be connected in series with a low resistance coil such as current coil or wattmeter coil or ammeter, like this. If it is left open, then current through the secondary becomes zero. Hence the ampere turns produced by the secondary, which generally oppose the primary ampere turns, becomes zero. As there is no current EMF produce high flux in the core, this produce excessive core losses, heating the core beyond the limits. Similarly, heavy EMF will be induced on the primary and secondary side, thus may damage the insulation of the winding. This is danger from the operator point of view as well. It is usually to ground the current transformer on the secondary side to avoid danger of shock to the operator.